Haskell is a global network of experts providing integrated architectural design, engineering, construction, and professional services. We were founded 54 years ago, and today we have hundreds of active projects in 38 states and 12 countries. When it comes to helping our clients navigate capital project challenges, Haskell is uniquely qualified. Hi, I'm Greg Akers, Haskell's Aviation and Aerospace Manufacturing Division Leader. Our trusted delivery method of integrated design build is a proven model that provides more value to our customers. It can move a project from concept to completion faster with transparent, frequent communications from a single entity, the project director. We promote integrated design build because it lowers schedule and cost risk for our clients, while increasing quality and ensuring safe delivery. This method enabled our division to be recognized by Engineering News-Record in 2018 as the #1 manufacturing aerospace contractor in the industry. Haskell is dedicated to meeting and exceeding our clients' goals. We perform with integrity and openness in contracting by living our values: team, excellence, service, and trust. That's why clients like Gulfstream Aerospace, Blue Origin, and AFCO keep coming back. We don't just deliver projects, we focus on providing a first-class client experience. Our facility solutions transcend client expectations and inspire new industry standards.